first day in office, I will immediately suspend the admission of Syrian refugees. President Obama wants to bring in another 110,000 refugees next year. Hillary Clinton wants a 550% increase over Obama's numbers of Syrian refugees, and we know nothing about it. Altogether, the Hillary Clinton plan would bring in 620,000 refugees in a first term.
No way.
Her plan would cost $400 billion in terms of lifetime welfare and entitlement costs. Think of that. Not only the danger of it all, this isn't only a matter of terrorism, but also a matter of quality of life. We want to make sure that we're only admitting those into our country who support our values and love, and I mean love our people. Pew polling shows that in many of our countries, by the way, Governor Pence, just come here for a second. I see him standing back there. This was one of my really great decisions right here. This guy is a winner. Great guy. And a great family. Pew polling shows that in many of the countries from which we draw large numbers of immigrants, extreme views about religion are commonplace. For instance, according to Pew, a majority in Afghanistan and Pakistan say honor killings of women are often or sometimes justified. A majority of these countries also support the death penalty for those who leave the faith. We've admitted tens of thousands from these countries in the last few years with no effective screening plan in place. We have no idea who we're letting in. We have no idea. You see what's happening. In fact, Hillary Clinton, as Secretary of State, admitted multiple refugees who were later charged with terrorism-related activities, bad ones. The State Department administers the refugee program. Hillary had the chance to put the needed protections in place, and she didn't do it. And now she's running. She's going to be so tough. She's going to be so tough. Not going to be tough. Not going to be tough. Hillary Clinton won't even say the words radical Islamic terrorism. She won't say the words. Hillary Clinton, she talks tough about my supporters. That's what she does. But she doesn't want to talk about Islamic terrorists. She calls the patriotic Americans who support our campaign, many of them cops and soldiers, deplorable and irredeemable. She won't use the same words to describe Islamic extremists who believe in the oppression of women, gays, and people of different faiths. But our people, you, I guess me, probably me more than anybody, but our people she has no problem with. Hillary Clinton thinks hardworking, patriotic Americans like you are the problem. She doesn't get it, and she doesn't understand how democracy works, believe me. Public servants are just that. They're there to serve you.
That's right.
But the only people Clinton has ever served are the special interests and her donors. And I don't know if you saw her campaign, 50 to 1.5.